So when we talk about AI jobs, what we usually think about is places like Appens, Search AI, Lionbridge, even Handshake AI to find AI training jobs that we can do from the comfort of our home. Now, these places are good for you to find AI jobs, but the problem they have is you can't really create a profile where you can document the jobs you have done on that platform. So I was able to find a platform that can allow you to do that. I think of it like a place like Fiverr and Upwork, but the difference is you're going to be looking for AI jobs like AI audio annotation, AI image labeling, video annotation, and stuff like that you can do for AI training. So if it's something you have interest in, I'm going to share with you this platform and how you can get started. The best part is you can earn in two ways. One is from the job you've completed, and two is from referring people to the platform. And another thing is you can reference your profile to convince somebody that you can actually do this job or that you have had experience doing this job. So that is the interesting part of this platform that I just found. I'm going to walk you through the platform and how you can create a profile and to start getting jobs on the platform. The best part is it is not really popular, so you will not really have to compete with a lot of people like it is in places like Fiverr and Upwork. But before we get into the video, if you're seeing this channel for the first time, you're welcome. On this channel, we talk about remote jobs, AI jobs, and generally ways you can make money from the comfort of your home. So if you're a beginner starting out and looking for how to navigate, you do well to join us, be a part of our growing community to learn more about opportunities and AI jobs that you can do from the comfort of your home. Okay, so this is what the website looks like, and you can see that there are lots of people already for different jobs. This is machine learning engineers, English language audio model trainers, this is digital annotation expert, and that is what our interest is for this video. So you can see even video filtering experts, product design / US expert. So they have different jobs here that aside from AI jobs, where you can create an account here and start earning money. And the best part, like I told you, you refer and earn as well together with the jobs you do. So for you to create an account, you're going to click here and then you're going to sign up with your email, or you can use your Google account to sign up on this place. So if you make an account, here you will see people that you have referred. This one is for your earnings and this is for your profile. So for the interest of this video, we're going to look at the digital annotation expert jobs. So as you can see, this one you're going to earn $16 per hour doing this. And if you refer somebody, you can earn $50 for one person you referred on this place. So to learn more about the job, you can go through this. Now, you have to have your application process, and they have 4 steps for this job. So you see this one, because I've not started anything, is 0 of 4 steps completed. So you'll have to have English proficiency interview, just so you know, and then audio media assessment and work authorization as well for you to get started. Now here you can see everything about the role. You have to understand that the jobs here are short-term opportunities, so you can have that in mind as well. You have to have your eligibility checked. For this job, they're looking for people in the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia. So you can check to root through to see what is expected of you. Here, they're going to pay you via Stripe, and they're going to pay you $16 per hour. And here is how to get started. You're going to fill out the application form and complete the 15-minute AI interview. And most applicants hear back within 2 weeks. So after 2 weeks, you should be expecting to get a feedback from them. So these are generally what you're supposed to know to get started. So these are other annotation jobs that you might check out, like the generalist video annotation. You can click on it to know, and then you can go through the overview of the job and everything. Now this one is contract terms, like this one is contract based, and it's going to pay you $45 per hour, and of course the payment is usually via Stripe, so you have to have a Stripe account as well to be able to get started. This one does not really have location restrictions like the previous one I just showed, where you are supposed to be from North America to apply. So if you have this skill, you can apply to this one to get started, and hopefully it works for you. To get started, you must have an email account that you're going to use to get sign up. Then you have your resume, and they're going to ask you some relevant information like your name and other stuff, so that they can get to know you better. And don't forget that you're going to be taking some interviews for you to get on any job that you're going to be seeing. So you also have to have that in mind and prepare yourself for the interview. Most times the interviews are going to be based on the information you have about AI training, and when it comes to audio and visual annotation or digital annotation generally. So you have that in mind as well. So you can create a Stripe account if you don't have anyone, because this platform pays you via Stripe. And the best part is, once you have created a profile, you're going to be receiving job alerts, and if it's something you're interested in, you can always apply to these jobs and hopefully it will work for you. So I hope this video helps you. Now, if you're looking for other remote jobs that you might want to do well to check out this video. Looking for the fast and best way for you to prepare your resume if you're asked, I've prepared a 12-in-1 job application bundle where you can have everything you need. Like, it is self-explanatory and it can easily customize the template. I've got a lot of positive reviews from people that have purchased already, and I really appreciate you all. I prepared it to make life easier for everyone. So if you're interested, you can grab one with the link in the description of this video. And if you found value so far in this video, please don't fail to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you're looking for other remote jobs you might want to do, do well to check out this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.